ISO 17024 Manual Procedures and Checklist. Hello everyone, welcome to this informative session on personal certification, documentation and consultancy based on ISO 17024. Today we will discuss the ISO 17024 standard, its requirements, documentation structure, manual preparation, procedures, checklists and consultancy support for personal certification bodies. ISO 17024 is an international standard that specifies requirements for organizations that certify persons. It ensures that personal certification bodies operate in a consistent, reliable, and internationally recognized manner. The standard provides a framework for organizations that evaluate and certify the competence of individuals in various professions. Examples include certification of auditors, inspectors, safety professionals, quality managers, technicians, engineers, trainers, healthcare professionals. ISO 17024 certification improves credibility, trust, and global recognition of personal certification schemes. Importance of personal certification. Personal certification plays a crucial role in ensuring that professionals have the necessary knowledge, skills, and competence to perform specific tasks. Key benefits include increased professional credibility, improved industry confidence, standardized evaluation of competence, international recognition, enhanced career opportunities, assurance of qualified professionals. Organizations that implement ISO 17024 demonstrate their commitment to competence, transparency, and impartiality. Scope of ISO 17024. ISO 17024 applies to any organization that operates a personal certification scheme. The standard covers certification scheme development, examination and assessment processes, certification decision making, recertification processes, competence requirements, impartiality management, confidentiality requirements. Key principles of ISO 17024. The ISO 17024 standard is based on several important principles. These include impartiality. Certification bodies must ensure that all certification activities are free from bias and conflict of interest. Competence. Personnel involved in certification activities must have appropriate competence and experience. Transparency. The certification process must be clear and transparent to applicants and stakeholders. Confidentiality. Information obtained during certification activities must be protected and kept confidential. Documentation requirements of ISO 17024. Documentation is one of the most important part of implementing ISO 17024. Our certification body must establish, implement and maintain documented policies, procedures and records. The documentation typically includes ISO 17024 manual, certification scheme documents, policies and procedures, forms and formats, checklists, work instructions, records and registers. Proper documentation ensures systematic and consistent implementation of certification activities. ISO 17024 Manual. The ISO 17024 Manual is the main document that describes the management system of the certification body. It provides an overview of organization structure, policies and objectives, certification processes, roles and responsibilities, compliance with ISO 17024 requirements. The manual acts as a guiding document for all certification operations. Now, typical structure of ISO 17024 manual. A well-structured ISO 17024 manual may include the following sections. First, introduction. Second, scope of certification activities. Third, normative references. Fourth, terms and definitions. Fifth, organizational structure. Sixth, impartiality policy. Seventh, management system requirements. Eighth, personal competence requirements. Ninth, certification process, examination and evaluation procedures, decision making process, surveillance and recertification, complaints and appeals process, confidentiality policy, record control. ISO 17024 procedures. Let us see. Procedures describe how activities are performed within the certification body. Common procedures include document control procedure, ensures that documents are approved, reviewed, updated, and properly distributed. Record control procedure ensures proper storage, protection, and retrieval of records. Certification process procedure defines the steps from application to certification decision. Examination procedure describe how examinations are conducted and evaluated. Complaints and appeal procedure provides a process for handling complaints and appeals fairly. Impartiality management procedure ensures the certification process remains unbiased. Then ISO 17024 certification process. The personal certification process generally includes the following steps. First, application submission. Second, application review. Third, examination and assessment. Fourth, evaluation of competence. Fifth, certification decision. Sixth, certificate issuance. Seventh, surveillance and recertification. Each step must be properly documented and controlled. Then next is certification scheme development. Our certification body must define the certification scheme clearly. The scheme should include competence requirements, examination structure, evaluation criteria, certification validity period, recertification requirements. This ensures that certification program remains reliable and credible. Now checklist in ISO 17024. Checklists are useful tools for ensuring compliance. Examples include application review checklist, examination checklist, certification decision checklist, internal audit checklist, document review checklist. Checklists help maintain consistency and accuracy in certification activities. Internal audit requirements. Internal audit must be conducted periodically to verify that the management system is working effectively. Internal audits help identify non-conformities, improvement opportunities, compliance with ISO 17024 requirements. Audit findings should be documented and corrective actions implemented. Management review. Top management must periodically review the certification system to ensure its continued suitability and effectiveness. Management review typically includes audit results, customer feedback, certification performance, improvement opportunities. Benefits of ISO 17024 implementation. Organizations implementing ISO 17024 gain several benefits. These include global credibility, improved certification quality, transparent evaluation processes, increased trust among stakeholders, better operational efficiency. And next is how URGS International support in consultancy. See, URGS International provides professional consultancy services for ISO 17024 implementation and documentation. Our services include ISO 17024 manual preparation, procedures and policy development, certification scheme documentation, forms and checklist preparation, implementation guidance, internal audit support, accreditation preparation. Our team ensures that your organization meets all ISO 17024 requirements effectively, efficiently, and professionally. Why choose URGS International? URGS International provides experienced ISO consultants, complete documentation support, fast and professional service, practical implementation guidance, international standard compliance. We help certification bodies achieve efficient and compliant management systems. Now contact information. ISO 17024 documentation and consultancy services. You can contact us for ISO 17024 consultancy and documentation preparation. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com and our mobile number is +91 7359 458455. This is our WhatsApp number also. Uh, Organizations can contact us through WhatsApp. Also, they can email us. Our experts will be happy to support your organization in developing a complete ISO 17024 compliant personal certification system. Now, at last, ISO 17024 provides a strong framework for organizations that certify individuals by implementing proper documentation, procedures, and evaluation processes. Certification bodies can ensure competence, transparency, and global credibility. With professional consultancy and structured documentation, organizations can successfully implement ISO 17024 and enhance the value of their certification programs. Thank you for watching this presentation. Thank you.